The next point which we are discussing is custodian. They are the clearing members and not the trading members. They settle the trades on behalf of the trading members when particular trade is assigned to them for the settlement purpose. The custodian requires to confirm whether he is going to settle the trade or not. So the major role which he plays is he is going to check out whether the trade is being settled or not. If they confirm the settlement that the trade, then the clearing corporation assigns the particular obligations to them. So this is the main role played by the custodian. And the fourth point is clearing banking. Now, clearing banks are the keys, or we can say it are the links between the clearing member and the clearing corporation. They act as middlemen between the clearing members and the clearing corporation in settlement of funds. Every clearing member is required to open a dedicated clearing account with one another. That is one of the designated clearing banks. Based on the clearing members' obligation as determined through clearing, the clearing members make funds available in the clearing account. So what happens here is when they make funds available to the clearing account for paying in and receiving funds in case of what? Payouts. So this is what in case of clearing banks. The next topic, that is next point, if you have to say, it's depository. It's a huge point, or I can say it has more content to be discussed. But as of now, you can have a look. Depository holds the securities in the dematerialized form for the investors in their beneficiary account. Each clearing member is required to maintain a clearing pool account with the depositories so that they are required to make the availability of the securities in designating their accounts or settlement day. So the depository runs in an electronic file to transfer the securities from the account to the custodian clearing members to that of the NSCCL as per the schedule allocated to the securities. So when we have to say about this depository, we know that it is in the form of dematerialized, and investors are in the beneficiary account. So as of now, if we have to see in case of depositories, we have two depositories in India, which is highly known as NSDL and CSDL. So NSDL is National Security Depository Limited and CSDL is Central Depository Service Limited. So we'll go in the next part, we will go in depth for NSCL and CSDL regarding the depository. So as we have discussed now, that is the entities involved in trading and settlement cycle. You could see clearing corporation, clearing member, custodian, clearing banks and depositories.